Imagine standing in a world with crisp, invigorating pines all around you. You take a deep breath, cleansing your mind, and it's lifting your spirit. Let's create that, making your own chest salve. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use natural ingredients to make products that they can use in their homes. In this video, you'll learn how to make a chest salve that supports easy breathing, envelops you in the comforting scents of Simply Earth's Defender essential oil, as well as eucalyptus oil. This recipe comes from the Simply Earth's October 2024 recipe box. This box gives you the key ingredients that you'll need to make a chest salve that you can feel good about. Many commercial chest salves often contain synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, and potentially harmful preservatives. These ingredients can irritate your skin as well as disrupt your respiratory system. Yuck. These ingredients may provide temporary relief, but often mask the underlying issues, instead of promoting genuine health and wellness. By making your own Deep Breath Chest Salve, you can make your own salve with natural ingredients, and you'll be happy because you know what's inside of the salve. By making your own salve, you're not compromising your health. Improve your overall sense of well-being with each soothing application. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started making this Deep Breath Chest Salve. From your recipe box, you're gonna wanna grab your Defender as well as your eucalyptus essential oils. Both of these essential oils are great for supporting your overall wellness as well as to help you breathe a little bit better. Next, we're gonna grab our hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is a new ingredient for Simply Earth. I'm so excited for you guys to use this carrier oil. It's super skin nourishing, and you're gonna love how it makes your recipe glide on your skin. From your big bonus box, you're gonna grab your solid coconut oil as well as your beeswax. From your home, you're gonna grab a 2-ounce jar. I got this 2-ounce jar from Simply Earth's website. Something to add all of your ingredients to that is microwave safe, as well as some measuring spoons. Let's get started. All right, I'm gonna add my solid coconut oil and my beeswax into my container, and I'm gonna melt it in the microwave for 30-second intervals. Make sure you're only doing the 30-second intervals so that you're not overheating your ingredients. So we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of beeswax, and then 2 tablespoons of our solid coconut oil. All right, now that we have that melted, we're gonna add a 1/2 tablespoon of our hemp seed oil. Now that we have our hemp seed oil combined, we're gonna add our essential oils. First, we're gonna add 15 drops of our Defender essential oil. And then last, we're gonna add 20 drops of our eucalyptus essential oil. Think an all-natural vapor rub. All right, now we're gonna stir this up to make sure everything is evenly distributed in our recipe. And for our last step, we're gonna pour our mixture into our 2-ounce jar. All right, now we're gonna let this cool. Don't forget to label it. I love how I was able to make this recipe all on my own, and it smells amazing. This is a step towards all natural wellness, and I'm so excited to use this recipe. You can make this too. You can make this recipe and lots more from the October 2024 recipe box. You can experience the joy of making all natural salves that you can feel good about. I love seeing your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of yourself making the recipe and using it and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag #IMadeThis. You'll automatically be entered into a giveaway for a $5 gift card that you can use on your next recipe box or to get other products on our website. Like and follow this video for more recipes just like this made from Simply Earth.